Hi, my name is Nazrul Idrus and I am the assistant trainer to T. Harv Eker, the New York Times best-selling author of Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, which with his program called Millionaire Mind Intensive has transformed the lives of millions of people worldwide with his brilliantly designed programs. Now, I am the president and founder of LVG Consultants, a financial education group, and my team and I have personally attended Millionaire Mind Intensive about 3 years back, and today we have created many results for ourselves, transforming our life, our income, and also our wealth, and brought it to the next level. Now, if you are a person that is struggling financially with your relationships or with your business, or not having the success that you always wanted and you thought you can get it, MMI or Millionaire Mind Intensive is the right program for you. So what you're going to learn in 3 days is you'll find out about your own money blueprint, if it's setting you back or if it's bringing you forward. And you will also know the secrets to the real success of millionaires. Now, the next Millionaire Mind Intensive or MMI is going to be in Kuala Lumpur, just right here, on the 30th November to 2nd December of 2012 at the Mines, Kuala Lumpur. So, if you register now, you will get an awesome bonus which you do not want to miss. And let me tell you, this is one of the programs that is the best in the world. So quickly take an action right now by clicking that link below and get the bonus and also your own ticket to the next MMI. So I will see you there, and let's have a millionaire mind.